Days past due, or DPD, is one of the most important components of your credit report. It indicates if you have missed any loan or credit card payments, how many installments you have missed, and by how many days. If you happen to default on repaying even a single installment, the DPD will remain on your report for the next 3 years, lowering your credit score and hampering your chances of getting any loans. DPD is marked on your credit report as follows. This means all payments for the month have been made. This means the lender has not yet reported to the bureau. Numbers like 30 or 60 refer to the number of days that the loan has been defaulted for. Payment has been made within 90 days of due. Payment not honored within 90 days. Payment made only after 90 days. Payment not honored for up to 12 months, but still likely to be repaid by the borrower. The bank has lost hope of repayment from the client. Need to keep an eye on your credit score on a regular basis? Well, all you need to do is sign up at the MyMoneyKarma website. We provide free access to your credit score, your detailed credit report, and personalized advice on how your credit can be improved. Moreover, checking your credit score with MyMoneyKarma is a soft inquiry, meaning it does not have any impact on your credit score. You can get started right away by following the link below.